Okay guys, I had to cheat and turn you off. So we got the belt around that bar, that one actually down there, right? The one that's moving now. I don't know if you can see it, it's such a small amount you wouldn't believe it, right? So I had to have the housing off to change that belt. But we're there. And we've got the cables hooked up and operating, right? Right there. Here. Oh, this one's wound around. I'll have to fix that. Okay. That's not good. But it's a snowblower again. I don't have the chute control on yet. So I'm going to fix this cable and then call it a day. Thanks. All right, this piece goes into here somehow, right? Oh, but it's broken into 3 pieces. But it's shaped kind of concave. Okay, here's another new word for you. Concavely on this side. So when it's together, this goes along the handlebar for the auger adjustment, or for the chute adjustment, excuse me. Right there. So you can see how when it goes together it has a kind of a cup look. So what I need to do, and then this is just the inside core. So I need to find some bent washers and then build it up from there. And it looks to me like it's about a ½ inch thick. So I'm going to go through my stuff and we'll see what we got. But I don't know if it's washers or an actual piece, right? Something like that even, eh? Huh, that's the top of a flywheel. Can I set it in there like that? On top of a washer? That might just do it, you know. Doesn't have to be pretty. And if I can get a concave washer, I'll find it. Most of my washers aren't in here anymore. Like I got lots of these kind, but they're concave the wrong way. I want something that'll hug the, hey, something like that, that'll hug the arm of the snowblower. It's gonna go right there, eh? Whoop. Okay, so I want something that'll hug that like that. One moment. Like that. But a little bigger, eh? So now that you know what I'm looking for, I'll turn you off and we'll endeavor to persevere. Okay, I'm in here and I found this. This may have a possibility because I can even carve a roundness in it. That's about it for here. This is what's in my white pail. Whenever I part out a motor or whatever, I put the assembly pieces and stuff into that pail. It's heavy. And I'm going to get my box of washers. Big washers. I don't think we'll find anything in here. Hi guys, I'm still here. Are you? We might find something in here. I found a really nice spring washer. I think I'll keep that in the mechanical side. Okay, what do we got? Curved the wrong way. Nice thrust washer. But no. Oh, here we go. That's what I'm looking for. Do you see that? It looks like a regular washer, but when I turn it this way, there it is. So I think we got something to work with, even if we have to stack up a few of these on top of each other. Okay. So I'm just going to install this and I'll show you what I've come up with when it's done. It takes a lot of battery power on a camera to do something like this because you could be fiddling for an hour, right? Okay, so that's the shaft end, and it makes kind of a little mini U-joint there, eh? I think that cotter pin is too small. We'll try the next size up. I don't know, this one might be too big. Yeah, it's too big. So this little gaffer is going to have to do it. So there you go, cotter pin in the shadows. Oh, Mr. Cotter! You know what I'm going to do? I'll bend that. Camera in one hand, pliers in the other, and an arm coming out of my forehead. Okay, here we have it. There's the cup. I've got a flat washer, I think. Where'd that go? Here it is. Okay, a flat washer to go against that double nut. This is approximately the size of that plastic broken Bakelite adapter. This is approximately the size of the roundness in the handle. And we stick it on there. Now we put that washer flat. There, just like that. And that's very, very close to the thickness of what was there, like the sticky-outy of the handle. Yeah. I wonder if that's the right nut. See, I'm running out of parts, so I'm just assuming that the nuts I have left are the ones that work. Oh yeah, you betcha. But I'm going to go with one more bigger washer. I can find one that's just the right size. In fact, I might even find one that has a round, oh no, that one's concave. That's perfect. Okay. Let's just use something. Is this going to work? Talking to myself. And I answer too. Good. All right. But now we need a great electric impact and a great Who dipper. Sorry, it's a Who's It, not a Who dipper. Okay. This is almost as good as factory. In fact, probably better because there's no more plastic in it, eh? I just have to get it lined up perfectly. It doesn't like the thread. Probably because it's all salted out. No, I had it on once. Arr! I'm just trying to put a nut on a thread. That's all I'm trying to do. Right there. Just trying to do that. There we go. I just needed you guys to help me. Now let's tighten it up. It's a little tight. I wonder if I loosen this up a little tiny bit if it'll help. Yes, a little. Not great. Huh. Okay, well, that's why we got lubrication. And I have not gone all over this machine and lubricated everything yet, eh? Oh yeah. What do you think? Hey, Ralphie boy! Yes, I spend most of my time working alone, can you tell? Alright, I think we need a little squirt in there. Oh, I see. Got it now. This has to be adjusted a little tiny bit. It's pinching. So now I'm going to loosen it. You with me? Are you with me? Nope. Good. And then this has to be rotated up and down, right? Or parallel with the shaft. Oh, that's much better. All right, now if I can get a pair of pliers to hold that, and we'll tighten it up again. Grab a 9/16 and see how snug that is, because I don't know. I think that's good. Oh, that's much better. We'll squirt a little lithium down into here. So that's what we're trying to do. And we have curved washers holding it in. So that should work. And our cheater plastic, this is now, that replaced the Bakelite piece that broke. So when you're working on small engines and you know you're not making a profit, you just tinker until you get it. So what do we got left? We have 2 1/2-inch self-threading bolts, and I'm thinking they might go there. Oh no, there they are. They go right there. It's a double holder. Oh, I see. Yep, it's a double. Right there. Excuse me. And right there. Now what I'd like to do is squish this a bit together a bit more so that my idler gears are lining up a little bit better. So anyway, I will come back when we're done. All that's left now is the belt cover, but I'd like to see the belts in action. And I'm just going to adjust this so it's a bit closer. Thanks. Okay, guys. Make sure we don't have it cross-threaded. This is just the pulley cover. I'm using this more and more, but I still check it. Okay, guys, so if you remember, this is the snowblower that sucked in a brick, and it was split from here, back behind the cover, all the way to here. And inside you can see where I welded behind here, there, and then it was also split, and I used a pipe clamp to suck this together, and I think we're ready to go. The one thing I do want to check is my what do you call it? My scraper clearance. So I'm going to do that one more time without scratching the car. Right like that. And we'll just get anything, any kind of a little screwdriver, or we just want this scraper in here to be, well, you know, it's close, to be above the sidewalk. It will be soon. That's good. All right, I think we're ready to take it down and give it a go. fact, I think we'll start it up on the... We'll start it up on the stand. So how much can you guys see? Not a lot, eh? So I'm going to back it out. Plug it in. And we'll get the ramp. Now I have to be careful not to run the auger right now because it'll chew up the wood. Okay. Now what can you see? Got so many lights on. That should work. Alright, here goes everything. Now we just have to see how it does in a foot of snow. So I think I'm done this one, guys. Even the covers are on. And if I'm not mistaken, I should have a slight lift on the skids going forward, and they should be touching on the back. See that? Both sides. This was all set up ahead of time, right? Yeah. Well, that was a little bit loose. Okay, so I might have a little bit of adjustment. Oh, no, we're good. Yeah, I got to adjust it a little bit on the bottom. But okay, mumble, mumble. That's a wrap.